In this video, you'll learn how to address the issue of your eBay listing not appearing in search results. By following these steps, you will enhance your listing's visibility and improve its chances of being discovered by potential buyers. Start by examining your listing's title, description, and keywords to ensure they are optimized for search. It is important to include relevant terms that buyers are likely to use when searching for products like yours. While you should avoid keyword stuffing, make sure that essential details are clearly presented. Proper formatting can significantly enhance search visibility. Additionally, listings featuring high-quality images paired with clear titles tend to perform better in search results. Establishing a strong foundation in your listing is essential for effective search optimization. Next, verify that your listing is placed in the correct category and that it includes accurate item specifics. Items misclassified in eBay system are often filtered out from search results. Take the time to update item specifics and attributes to align with popular search terms. Accurate categorization is crucial as it increases the chances of your listing being discovered by potential buyers. Regularly reviewing similar top-performing listings can provide valuable insights and guidance for optimizing your own listing. After confirming the title, description, and category, check the listing visibility settings to ensure that your item is active. It is also wise to review your inventory quantity and pricing to remain competitive in the marketplace. If necessary, consider utilizing promotional tools or eBay ads to enhance your listing's visibility. These tools can help draw attention to your item and increase its chances of appearing in search results. Consistent monitoring is key to understanding your listing's performance. Use eBay analytics to track how well your listing is doing and make any necessary adjustments based on the data you collect. Regularly optimizing your listing can improve its search rankings over time, ensuring that your items effectively reach potential buyers who are searching for products like yours. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.